This one was always on the cards. The no official reassignment of former assistant national senior football coach Jerome Waite. And it's hard not to make the connection between that reassignment and the very next day arrival of the newly appointed assistant coach Paul Hall. And look, in terms of coaching experience and achievements, with 4 Premier League titles and multiple schoolboy and other trophies in his cabinet, Jerome Waite is well ahead of many who are left on that coaching staff, including head coach Whitmore and his new assistant. So put some respect on Jerome Waite's coaching credentials. Now, next thing, and more important thing, is the timing of this move by the JFF. This high-profile coaching change is in addition to all the other instabilities in and around the team. The importation of a plethora of England-born players. Some of them the coach want, some of them the coach don't want. Some have Jamaican passports, some have none. Who will play and who will not play? Your guess is as good as mine. And all of this rocking off the boat is happening a few months, indeed, a few weeks before the start of the World Cup qualifiers. Me not like it. Yes, personally, me nervous. Yes, me very nervous. Yes, me nervous. Me nervous. Me nervous.